Hey guys, welcome back. I'm excited. Today is a little bit of a different video, and I'm actually really excited to do this one. Kind of popped in my head and I was like, I have to. All you guys answered on my Instagram, and so here it is. Today we're going to do a half and half. This one's kind of special too because I kind of have something to chat about, but we'll chat about that later. So don't forget to stay then, and we will get ready and we'll be right back and we'll get started. All right. Okay guys, I am ready to go and let's get to it. I already have my eye ready to go and my eyebrow done for one half of the face, and then we're gonna leave this beauty there. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And I may not get too crazy into products today. I'll link everything down below that I'm using, but we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow. I will say I'm going to be using the Thirsty palette for today, and we're just gonna like chat and like get ready and do some things and like get to know me kind of. I don't know, but yeah. So first we've got that set, so we're gonna have a transition shade. Let's use Subtle. How is everyone doing? How did everyone enjoy the video last week? Let me know down in the comments below if you guys enjoyed that little voiceover and beauty room tour. I apologize if I sound weird today. I don't know what it is. If it's like stuck in my throat or nothing's coming. But yeah, so nothing new and exciting over this land. Just been having fun doing some makeup looks, getting to know some new followers, and doing kind of fun little different takes. I have so many ideas, so I kind of have a thought of maybe doing 2 uploads a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Let me know what you think down below, and if you like that idea and want to see more from me. And then also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Just saying, because you know I'm fun over there. But yeah, so this one's gonna be as light and airy. Light and airy? Like light and fun as I can, but I also wanted to talk about a few things because I know a lot of things have been going around on the internet, and there's a lot of people talking about loving yourself, loving the body you're in, and then there's also the other spectrum of things where there's a lot of bullying and just not coolness going around, and I hate to see that. Somebody who's not entirely comfortable within themselves, learning to be, but it's taking a little bit of time. But it's saddening to hear when somebody is so confident and it's a lot for them to go like online and show them the real them, and they either get made fun of or get told some nasty things. Guys, social media was meant to be creative and meant to show either different sides of us or just some talents. It's supposed to be fun and engaging and just a different platform that we can all showcase each other, and it's turning out not to be like that, and I don't like that. There's so many cool people and so much cool things online and new platforms we can showcase and laugh, and especially on those hard days. And I think we should just all encourage each other and accept each other no matter what size, shape, experience level that we're in. I think we should all celebrate it, because a world is better celebrated than sad, I guess. That makes any sense. It's probably not the best. Yeah, that's probably not the best way to put it, but it's definitely true, saying that it's definitely way more happy and encouraging when we all celebrate each other than when we don't. So no matter what our skill levels are, or what, I think we should just all be happy and, you know, encourage each other and love each other and call each other beautiful. I'm trying to encourage as many people as I can, because that just feels good. And then when you get it back in return, it just feels even better, because you're helping somebody and you never know either what they're going through or how long it's taken or what just one word can mean to someone, because you also don't know their day, what they're going through, what's happening, how long their journey's been, and wherever they are. It's nice to hear somebody encouraging them no matter what. So that's kind of my special message for today, especially because I'm not going to lie, this is taking a lot for me to leave one half of my face empty. I will admit that I am not entirely comfortable in my own skin, and either gaining weight or not gaining weight or losing weight or whatever. I still haven't found that I love me moment yet, but we're working on it. And I mean, getting old and like this stuff falling is just like it's sad, but we have to remember that our bodies are amazing. Like, I mean, I cut myself the other day and it's like healed. Like, I don't know, it's just crazy how your body works, and we should love it because it does everything for us. But it's also hard when the media and whatever we see encourages other things. So by the way, if you're not loving the account, or if you're more self-conscious following someone or seeing something, guys, unfollow it, please. Unfollow it. Only follow things that make you feel happy and upbeat and whatever. And, you know, let's try and not to think that we need to follow everything and like all the new trends and who everyone else follows, because I've been caught in that before, and it's not always easy, and it can become overwhelming because we're trying to follow so many people and so many things, and to try and keep up is a lot, especially just keep up with that and then keep up with life. So yeah, just unfollow it. The unfollow button works both ways too. Anyways, enough of me rambling. That's kind of my cute little message for you all. So today I think I'm also gonna throw in some sparkles, and there's a cool looking sparkle in this palette. I'm gonna go with more of like a glam look on one side, and then El Natural on the other side. I think we're gonna go in with my fingers. Yes. Ooh yeah. Oh wow. I have not used any of the shimmer shades and sparkles on this from this palette yet. And my god, you see that? Like the reflection too? Ooh, that is some good stuff. I will say there's a little bit of fallout, so just be aware. Oh no. Oh no. Jeffree Star. I didn't think you'd have fallout. Oh well. Okay. Okay, well, fix that. It is pretty sparkly, so I used that one right there, which is Plunge. It's really, really pretty, but I will say my face is a little covered in sparkles now, so I'm not loving that. But oh, I did not think there'd be this many sparkles. Ugh. Well, anyways, I do love the color, but I don't love sparkles all over my face now. If you took a makeup wipe, then it'll probably help with that. But it's a really pretty, like, it's almost like a rosy gold brown. I don't know, it's really pretty though. So we're not going too crazy today, but we're gonna go bold enough. I wanted a little bit of glam today in my life. Just put some eyeliner on, which is the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner. This stuff is really black and really good. I like it a lot. It's probably one of the other, I can't remember what my old favorite used to be. It used to be so good, and I can't remember for the life of me, because I don't wear eyeliner much anymore. I used to always wear eyeliner in my waterline all the time, and this is like pretty on par with my old one that I loved. So I am going to put on some foundation today. We're gonna go, well, apparently we're using a lot of Believe Beauty. We're gonna go in with the Believe Beauty foundation. So also, guys, like, if you see somebody struggling or new or just kind of doesn't know where to start, help them out. No matter what stage you're at, just like give them a little nudge and tell them they can do it, because everybody can. Encourage everybody no matter what, because they would encourage us. We should be able to encourage them. Okay. And I will say, even today, it took me a little bit to get on here, and it's probably not going to be the best video I've ever done, but I did it. And it's the message behind it that counts for me, because hopefully it means something to someone, even if it's just one person, and I'm helping them out. Make them feel a little bit better, a little more confident, a little more inspired to kind of go after what they want to. So anybody out there, I encourage you, go for it, no matter what. And who cares if you fail, or if it's not for you, you at least tried and you figured it out, and you gave it your best shot. And if it wasn't for you, it wasn't for you, and that's okay. There's lots of things that I've found too that haven't been for me, and I'm glad that I tried it. It's good to at least give it a shot, because you never know. You honestly don't. I never thought I'd be in the makeup world, and I love it now. And who knows where it'll take me, but I love it. That's all that matters. And to have fun and be yourself, because you never know where it can take you in life. So do it. Go for it. I dare you. Alright, so we're gonna put some concealer under my eyes. This is also really weird to see my face half done. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I'm really excited because I have a lot of fun plans and looks coming and videos, so be prepared, guys. It's super exciting. It's also kind of nice to only do one half of your face. I don't know if any of you tried this, but it's kind of nice. It doesn't feel as daunting. Is that weird? Maybe a little, but that's okay. Oh, give me some color. Anyone ready for summer yet? Because I am. I mean, I do love my comfies and like my, I don't know, comfies and cozies. And lounging and under a blanket, but I also love the summertime, being outside, being in nature, water, fun adventures. I think I'm ready for it. Some sunshine, although it's really, really nice outside today, so I'm kind of liking that. Some brightness in my life. It's a really nice drive home. Okay, let's put some blush on. I'm gonna use this rose blush. Really like it. Put some color back in my cheeks. Come on, sis. Also been liking more blush. It's nice. I like it. Ooh. I swear I'm also not that pale. Am I that pale? Yeah, I'm not pale. I'm definitely not pale. Alright. Cool. So, what shall we do next? So, I'm just gonna fix my eyebrows and put some put an eyelash on, and we'll be alright back, my friends. Alright. I have my lashes on. Super pretty. They're kind of doing some funky things because I think they're on their last legs, but I don't want to give them up yet. These are like my tried and true, and I can't do it just yet. So we're gonna put on some highlight, my friends. And we're gonna do a little bit of the nose. Highlight over here. And I'm gonna highlight him over here. Highlight my life away. Light up my life with some highlighter. I'm weird, guys. You're gonna learn that. I hope you like it. And we're gonna go with some Benson. Wow, we are gonna go with something bold on lips today. We are gonna do almost like a brown. Just wait for this. Okay, guys. Do you see this brown? I'm kind of liking it. Okay, so I'm gonna get finally ready and we'll have a little chat and then we're all done. Be right back. Alright, guys, so I'm not loving the hair, but she left it air dried last night and she hasn't done anything with it, and I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but I'm also trying to like it. And guys, this is me. In real life. Spots, redness, and all. I'm kind of liking this like Two-Face look. It's like bringing me Batman vibes. But anyways, just remember, everyone, please be kind with each other, and remember, no matter what skin you're in, you are freaking beautiful, and I love you. Now, I would love you just as much and a little bit more if you subscribe, like, comment, tell me your thoughts on this video, if you liked it, if it was like weird, if I rambled too much. Whatever. But remember, please be kind, and we will see you guys